Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just most satisfying changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it is super lightweight and durable, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need SucceBuy in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just most satisfying changes everything. If you love cool items,